PALFINGER is a global brand headquartered in Austria, with deep roots in North America. We are committed to customer-first design, job creation, and American craftsmanship. We have invested in technology and automation, which has helped us increase efficiency and maintain high-quality standards. Our strong history of bucket truck production and assembly in the U.S. allows us to be closer to our customers and deliver reliable and specialized turnkey solutions.
A lot of the efforts that we focus on in the engineering group are directly related to quality, not just as a second thought, but that's top of mind right behind safety. We spend time directly with customers on job sites to review how the equipment's used and fine-tune the operation to do their job in the field.
Our people are the backbone of our success. Every unit we build starts with their expertise and dedication. Each day they bring passion, skill, and a relentless focus on quality to deliver the best solutions for our customers.
Safety is a huge part of what we focus on in Oklahoma City, whether it's in our design or in our manufacturing. We don't just build bucket trucks, we build trust. One thing we focus on and is unique to Oklahoma City is we have a service department on site with manufacturing. So we're able to collaborate with service to ensure that we're providing a more quality product to our customer at the end of the day.
We're proud to build bucket trucks and even prouder to keep North America up and running. We are reliable in every measure.